How to start your journey from a homemaker to a successful professional woman. Part 2 of the 3-part series. In Part 2, we offer tips on bolstering your self-confidence. Tip number 1. Attend webinars, workshops, and networking events to meet people in the industry that you want to work in. Watch the way people speak, whether in an online meeting or from the podium in an in-person event. Learn from them how to develop your own presence and style. Independence webinars and workshops offer a range of confidence building programs. Tip 2. Build your professional network. Networking is essential to professional growth, whether it is through LinkedIn or industry bodies such as CII, Indian Women Network. These communities and events help you connect with professionals in your field. Building relationships that promote peer mentoring can help you regain self-confidence and achieve your goals faster. Tip 3. Update your resume and online presence. Your resume and your online presence are critical in today's job market. Highlight your previous professional achievements in the right way to catch the attention of recruiters. Tailor and craft an online presence on LinkedIn thoughtfully to grow your connections. At Independent, we guide you in rebuilding your resume and setting up your LinkedIn presence. What a confidence booster! Visit us at independent.com and sign up. We'll handhold you through the process of getting back to work. That's all for today, friends. Do watch part 1 and look out for part 3 of this video series. Remember to stay positive, focused, and keep working towards your goals. Good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more information like this. Until next time, take care.